Well, just come to another camp spot, which I don't think is really doing much for me. There is nobody, and I am miles from anybody. No phone reception, no nothing, not even one bar. But there's not much here apart from a rock, part of a rock, a little rock, and some little water, leftover water bits from the rain. But yeah, I just don't know. Not sure. Yeah, I could probably camp here. Or I drive another hour to another spot, which has got the potential of having mozzies because it's near Salt Lakes. But that also gives me the opportunity to do another little hobby of mine while I'm at the Salt Lakes, and that's get aerial photos. Decision making. It's so hard. What to do? Yeah. It's pretty tough. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Bugger all flies here. Might get mozzies later with the water. But yeah, I just don't know. It was an easy little track in. A little water crossing, which I made out to be bigger than Ben-Hur. No. But yeah. Alright, yeah, this is good. This is a good spot. There's a bit of a breeze. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can feel it in my hair. Slight easterly, which is going to be this no matter where I am. Decision making. But first, I'm going to put the oven on. Might have some little party pies for lunch. So I put it on now to warm it up. Then in about half an hour, throw them on. See, I've got plenty of time to get to the next camp spot. But if that one's no good, the other one I should have stayed at, but I was there way too early. And I just thought, no, bugger it. Alright, that's on. Oh, I should take the tray out. So it's not hot for me to put it in. The car is running a dream. Always does. Never let me down. Now I say that, it'll probably break down. I do have my usual squeaks and suspension. But yeah, that's just a little bit of dryness, needs a bit of a lube. And I do have a real high pitch squeak, but I don't know where it's coming from. I've got no idea. Might be the rooftop, might be the max tracks, it could be anywhere. Who knows? And in about half an hour, I shall put party pies in for my lunch, late lunch. Man, decision making. I'm just going to sit for a little bit and have a think. This is a good spot. I've made the decision to go to the other spot. It's just going to take me just over an hour to get there. So in about half an hour, 40 minutes, I'll put pies in. And have a little party pies for lunch, and they'll be ready when I get there. Should be, I would think. You know? So yeah, see you when we get there. Hopefully it's a good spot. I'm maybe just getting too fussy. Right. Some nice spots here. Alright. Decided to pull over in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Not much there. Not much around. There's an intersection there, so it's pretty safe. Slow point for everyone. I'm off the road, or the track. Time to put my party pies on. I'm sure my oven's hot enough. Oh yeah. You can smell it. Alright, I need that. I need to open this. Open this. Oh, this. It was hard doing one-handed. I think I'm going to destroy this box. There we go. Let's just throw... I think I might just throw 6 in. Be a piggy for lunch. Right. Open this. Oh yeah. Let's just put that. Oh, it won't fit, so it's going to go there. Put that in. Half an hour. I'll be at the camp spot and they should be ready to be eaten. Which is that way somewhere, I think. That way is the way we're going. Beautiful day, a few clouds, but magnificent. Absolutely beautiful. I can hear another plane. I'm still in the flight path. Oh well, let's get out of here. Just got to find a spot to pull up. I really don't know where. This. I don't want to get stuck out there. I'm not going out there, but yeah. Whew. I just hope it's not mozzie infested. Might go back in the bush. I saw a little bit of a spot. Looked nice. But yeah. Even here looks nice. It's like someone's had a fire there. What a spot. How's this for a camp spot? Big open area. Fire pit here I can use. Oh, magic. Absolutely magic. Oh, definitely need a hat, but where is my hat? Somewhere. Well, doesn't get much better. The flies are a bit friendly, but can deal with them. Bugger all ants. No mozzies at the moment, so that's a win. And there's nobody around. Place myself. There is a road over there, but I don't think it's going to bother me. It's a very quiet, unused road. Oh. This is good. I'm happy. Hopefully, and it looks like it, it's going to be a clear night. These clouds will bugger off and it'll be a perfect night stargazing and looking for satellites while sitting around the fire. And I'm not telling you where I am. Oh, and lunch should be ready. Forgot all about that. Jeez. I've probably burnt them. Oh. Oh yeah, they're cooked. Check that out. Hopefully they're not too burnt. I might have to let them cool down without the flies getting to them. Get some sauce out, eh? Flies are real friendly. They are everywhere. It might be the only annoying part of this camp spot at the moment. You wouldn't expect it this time of the year. How hot are these? Oh yeah, they're super hot. Yeah, I'll let them cool down for a bit. Yeah. Oh, I forgot all about them. That will teach me. One back. I'm expecting the temperature to drop very quickly once that sun sets. A couple of hours, hour or so. So I'm going to need this wood. These flies are super friendly. Whew. Just ate my 6 little party pies. These flies are super friendly. I don't think I'm going to escape them. I was thinking of putting the awning up, but I'm not going to be able to peg it down into rock, so I've got shade over there I can sit in till the sun goes down, so I'm not really phased. I do have to set up the rooftop and get my camp chair out, but I just scoffed those pies. I was starving. Oh, it's like, what, 10 to 3 and I hadn't had lunch. Shrivel one up and disappear. I could eat another 6, but I'm not going to because I want to save for dinner. If I eat too much now, I won't eat, later. Oh. And now the rooftop tent ladder. Oh, excuse me. Anything else from here? I think that is it. I think I might set up the rooftop. All set up. Now I can sit back and relax. and shoo flies. In the shade is nice and cool. So quiet here and peaceful. All I can hear is flies. And birds. It's beautiful. No road noise, no nothing. Oh, something just bit me. Mungle. There it was. So yeah. Just gonna chill, relax and enjoy it while I can. Guessing those birds are going to get louder as the sun sets. Now I can hear a plane. It's that quiet here. I don't know where it is. Ah, there it is. Right up there. I don't know if you'll see this, but it's up there. He's hooking. Oh. So I'm going to see a few more, hear a few of them tonight. I'm guessing. Oh, I don't care. They're off travelling while I'm travelling. And just like that, there's a third one. Doubt you'll see it, but 3 planes in like 10 minutes. Must be peak hour up there.